If you're looking for the latest in hotel, restaurant, and retail technology, stay tuned right here to Tech Advisor Media.
Hi, I'm Rob Grimes with Tech Advisor Media, and we're here in Las Vegas at the Consumer Electronics Show 2014. We're going to take a walk around and we're going to think about what the new trends are, what was hot last year, what isn't this year, and where we should put our focus on in the food service, hospitality, and retail industries in implementing some of these technologies. I'm standing in the Beam booth here at CES, and they have some really cool technology for video conferencing, but it actually takes video conferencing the next step. It goes well beyond it. So I want to interview one of their people. Come on over. So this is Ina. And Ina, where are you actually located right now?
Right now I'm in Palo Alto, California, where Suitable Technology headquarters is located.
Great. And so we were talking a little bit before I got to meet you, and we were talking about the hospitality industry, the retail, the restaurant industry, and how this technology might be used. Now this is a totally portable technology. You see us, right? And you're able to move around wherever you want to go, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm actually moving around with my keypad, so I can turn the device as I'm pushing down the arrow keys. So I'm in full control.
Okay, so you know, restaurants are always looking for innovative ways to take care of their customers, and there's something called line busting. Do you know what line busting is?
Not familiar, but...
Okay, so you know when you get in line at your Starbucks or something and you're waiting in that long, like they have downstairs here, and you're waiting, you don't know that because you're not here, but you get in that long line for a cup of coffee, right? And you got to get your order placed?
Yeah.
Okay, so you could actually go down the line, because you got a keyboard there, you could go down the line and take people's orders, and they could start preparing it before I ever got to the cash register.
Definitely. And I can even write down the orders on my desktop, and I can actually share that information. I can do screen sharing as well, so that way I know that the information is correct.
Okay, now, what about informational purposes? People walk around the casinos here. They're pretty big places. They want to talk to somebody. They can't find somebody. There could be a dozen of you just wandering around or right there, and you could actually, if you wanted, take me to where I need to go.
Definitely. We could be mobile informational kiosks for people. So that's a great tool to use.
Have you guys ever done any applications like that?
We're actually in the education system, in corporate, manufacturing, as well as medical. So in within the corporate industry, we actually have, if you do have a company and you have many locations, you can position these beams in those locations and instantly connect from your headquarters to these locations and do video conferencing, check up on your employees, do training sessions, and conduct business in a speedily fashion.
Okay, now the way that the technology works, I'm just talking to you over wireless right now.
Right, so we're on Wi-Fi right now, so that's how our teleconferencing is working. As long as we're in that Wi-Fi range, we're able to communicate.
Are these devices used outside as well as inside?
They're mainly for indoor purposes, just because the conditions in which it's operating is within 50 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the ideal temperature to have the device in.
Okay, but I'm betting over time somebody's going to come up with a way to have you outside as well.
Definitely. We definitely have plans for future improvements, but that is still being yet discussed.
And really the whole idea here is the idea of interacting one-on-one with the customer. You certainly have a full range to do anything. I could actually have you remotely taking orders even on a counter if I wanted to, as extra workstations, and it's all going to be connected into the network in the retail store or in the hotel or in a restaurant.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I mean, you're on your desktop or your laptop, so you're able to be on your email, log in, send information to your boss or your other coworkers in order for that information to get across more speedily.
You know, the thing that really comes to mind for me when I take a look at this device and how you're sitting here is that this is really a kiosk of sorts. And so my thought is that over time, somebody could be putting a printer on this, they could be putting other devices on here to sell a movie ticket, to actually take payment. There could be a credit card reader on here, you know, any number of things. And really, you can take that order, you could fulfill it here because there's plenty of space and be self-contained.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, employee on demand.
And there's so much opportunity for future growth, so.
Well, there's great, and you are completely portable. They have Wi-Fi throughout this whole place, so I got an idea for us. So why don't we go just take a tour? Let's just go walk down the aisle. We'll just go visit the rest of CES together. Is that okay?
Yeah, we can walk around the booth. That would be great.
Well, I don't want to walk around the booth. We can go out there. We can go get a coffee. You can't drink it. You can watch me drink it. But let's take a walk.
All right, let's take a walk.
Oh, that's all right.
Aaron, right over there.
So have you ever actually talked to other people where you have two of these devices facing each other and you just have a conversation?
Yeah, actually, I enjoy beaming with my other fellow beam pilots. It's quite entertaining, and it's also entertaining for other people to watch because it's definitely different.
And just out of curiosity, on their end, do they have this version sitting on their desktop, or they just have a regular camera and a PC?
Yeah, no, all of our applications are the same. We're using the same video camera and speaker system. We're using Logitech video camera and Chat One speaker system. So it gives that full high quality resolution and audio.
Well, I got to say, it's really nice to meet you. Maybe I'll meet you in person sometime. But I want to thank you for sharing some thoughts and trading information with us today.
Thank you.
Great. Well, take care. Have a great CES.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.